Hello everyone, myself Sahil Vilchan Dongre. I am at Amravati and everyone from my group is from Government Polytechnic Mumbai from Computer Department.
Hello everyone, myself Prathamesh Thorat.
My name is Sakshi Gaul.
Hello everyone, myself Vivek Pradeep Mahajan.
Myself Pratik Sanjay Londe and I am student of Computer Engineering in Government Polytechnic Mumbai.
Introduction. This project is an application developed to implement hassle-free services of delivering of the newspaper at home as well as selling the scrap of the same. In our project, we are developing an Android application in which we will implement framework for both user and paper distributor, which will bind them virtually closer. User will be able to order paper, subscribe for a certain paper, pay the bill online, also will be able to add holidays. Also the distributor can manage all its user data and all payment digitally. Idea of connecting customer and seller will be implemented in a very trustworthy way. Our application will keep all record of payments and also will provide receipt for the same. Next point will be explained by Prathamesh.
My point is why we chose this project, the statistics and how this project could be helpful in the times of corona. We chose this project to reduce the lots of paperwork and lengthy process in the newspaper sale as well as in the scrap market, to make the newspaper and the scrap business digitalized and do the billing and transactions by using the online payment methods. Now the statistics. According to the Registrar of Newspaper India, there are 1,10,851 registered publications in India as of year 2016. But due to the evolution of the e-newspaper concept, there was a slight fall in the readership of the printed newspaper. But because of the advantages like readability and reliability, there was regrowth in the sales of the printed newspapers. The Paper Now app can be helpful in the times of corona because the social distancing, which is very important, is maintained by using this app. Billing and payments are done online in one touch using the app, hence there is cashless transaction and no direct contact. There is no need to meet the newspaper vendor for any changes in delivery of the newspaper or alerting the vendor about the holidays. So, the next point will be explained by Sakshi.
I will be explaining the development process for our application, the development model we chose, the programming language, and other applications we used for this project. Waterfall model is chosen as the development process for Paper Now application, since it is simple and easy to understand and implement. Easy to manage due to the rigidity of the model and works well for a project like this one where the requirements are very well understood. After the requirement gathering and analysis, we use Adobe XD for designing our user interface. Here are some of the UI designs we created in XD. After the developing the UI designs for application development, we used Android Studio since it simplifies and auto-generates Java files, directories, placeholder icons, manifest file, XML files, and other many things. It has many other functions too, including debugging, etc. For the programming part, we used Java. Now, the next topic will be explained by Pratik.
So let's see about working of our application. Our application runs on Android devices and we use the Firebase database for our application. So let's see how our database looks like. This is our database. This is the user database. It contains all the users registered to us. It has name and everything. This is the newspaper database. This database is updated by the vendor. And these are the holidays. The customer adds holiday. They are stored in this section. So let's take an example how our application really works. Here is the user. So user wants to add some holidays in his newspaper. So he opens our app in his mobile and performs the operation of the adding holiday. Then the holidays are stored in the database and the database can be read by the vendor. So vendor knows that this user has added the holiday and he doesn't deliver the paper to that user. So that's how our application works. Simple demo of our application will be explained by Sahil.
Minutes, so I'm just going to give you a small demo. So the first feature is holiday section. I'm just going to put the dates of 24 and 27. Between these days, I don't want the paper to be delivered at my home. Then I will go to notifications. This area will show all the notifications. This is payment history, and this is contact us. You can contact us from contact us, then log out. So this was the short demo. So that was the small demo of the application. Now let's talk about the features of the application. So the first feature is digitalization. Now the vendors and customers won't have to write down the records, the app will do it for them. The second feature is online payment. This is a common feature in app nowadays, but having this feature, one can subscribe to a paper or buy a paper anytime, and vendor won't have to go home to collect money. The app will also record the transaction and save it in the payment history, so the user will know the transaction they have done. The third feature is holiday section. So this feature provides the user with comfort of deciding when the paper should be delivered to him and when not. So suppose I'm going out of station for 2 or 3 days, so I will just go to holiday sections and add starting and end date. So from starting to end date, the paper won't be delivered to my home. So the fourth feature is scrap collection. Using this feature, a user can sell the newspaper and other paper-based scrap using the same application. The newspaper is getting recycled here. The user will also get paid for this paper, and they can also donate the scrap. The fifth feature is adding extra paper. So this feature allows an user to buy extra paper with regular subscription. It's not a big feature, but it is quite helpful. So this were the features of the application and all the important information about our app. This is an original idea, and we do see it as a potential startup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.